Well, it seems I'm going to have to listen to a well drilling rig again today. I guess they're having a lot of trouble finding water. It's kind of funny. Having trouble finding water. The water's running right by, well, not right by there, but it's about probably 8 feet from where my water's running. But such is luck, I guess. They're up on the rock, and they're obviously going to have to find some type of a vein in the rock. Whether they're going to be able to find one or not, well, that's questionable. I don't even know how they're going to make any kind of a basement, because I was talking to the guy yesterday and he said there's only about 3 foot of topsoil, and then it's all rock. That's probably a reason why there's so many rocks around here, but that's a rock ledge of some sort. Anyhow, yeah, I get to listen to that all day again today. I gotta get going here soon. Cheers.